Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I got another unboxing for you here on the channel. This is the Apple Pencil first generation to go along with the iPad 7th generation. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. I'll give you some of my first impressions, how to pair it, and a little demo. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Now, it took me a while to actually get this pencil ordered because I wanted to trade in my iPad mini 2 in order to save some money on this thing, because this stupid thing is $100. So I got $70 in trade-in value, and that's pretty neat. Just slide it right out of the box. So I got $70 in trade-in value, and they put that on a gift card. So I took 70 bucks off the price, so saved a little money there with that. But we have the design by Apple in California, and you pull this out and you can see that this is the little charging adapter, and then we have another pencil tip right there. So there's that. We have the Apple Pencil little quick start guide, just telling you how to pair it up real quick. Some safety things, and looks like some more safety things right there. And then down here we have the pencil itself, little pull tab for it right there. So here it is, the first gen Apple Pencil. Now it would be nice if we could have the second gen on all the iPads now, because it is leaps and bounds better than this one. But this one still is a very good product. So we unwrap it real quick there, and you can see here it is. Now it has a weird kind of feeling to it. It's not, what you're used to for a pencil feel. And the thing is really large, so, it doesn't feel like a pencil. It feels like a pencil that has never been sharpened before. And as a matter of fact, I do have a pencil that has never been sharpened before. And you can see that that one is actually a little bit taller than this one, but they're literally about the same size, especially when you remove the cap. So it's really not too big of a difference, I guess, but to give you an idea, that's the size comparison of a normal pencil. I will be, of course, using this thing a lot. I plan on using it mainly for note-taking during school, so I'll make videos on how that is going over the time that I use it. But let's go ahead and push this stuff kind of off to the side here a little bit, and we will open up the iPad and see if we can't get this thing paired real quick. So, the most genius way ever to pair something. I will admit it's not as good as the new Magic Mouse, but you simply pull off the cap of the pencil and it reveals the lightning port, and all you have to do is plug this thing right in to the bottom of your iPad just like that, and give it a second here to recognize it. So it says Bluetooth pairing request, Apple Pencil would like to pair, so you hit pair, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And if you look over here, I now have the Apple Pencil showing up in my batteries, and it says it is 100% charged. So let's go ahead and remove it. And you can see that now we do have the Apple Pencil paired with the iPad. So we can go into the Notes app here, and we can, just draw all around here in the Notes app. So pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to this. You can see my handwriting already looks atrocious, but let me see if I can put this down like this. And I'm gonna have to get used to all the controls and everything like that. So you can have your little Apple Pencil controls pop up down there. So you can change colors of fonts and all sorts of things. You can do the eraser, the highlighter, everything. Have the ruler right here, so you can draw a perfectly straight line just about. So yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to, but it's gonna be totally fine. Now this pencil feeling, it's pretty good. You're gonna hear people a lot talk about how the thing lags a little bit, and that's because the iPad 7th generation does not have a laminated display. So if you use this pencil on, for example, the iPad mini 5, you use it on there, it's going to feel a lot different than on this iPad because that iPad has a laminated display. So there's like just a little gap kind of feeling between the actual pencil tip and the display, but you're not really gonna notice it too much. I mean, I don't really notice it at all. It's really people, when they say that, they're saying it because they've used like the new iPad Pros and the 2nd gen Apple Pencil, and they're just not used to this. I mean, I didn't hear anybody complain when this was the only option and the other iPad Pro was the only option. So that's just how people are. Like I said, I'm gonna need some getting used to this and see how it works. I'm gonna be downloading GoodNotes 5 and maybe Notability, and be trying out different note-taking apps here on the iPad. And my goal ultimately is to go paperless this upcoming semester. So we're gonna see how that's gonna be. But anyways, guys, that's just a quick unboxing and look at the Apple Pencil 1st generation. Let me know if you want to see any specific content to do with this Apple Pencil. But for now, that's all I got for you guys today. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you all in the next video.